Hello everybody, welcome to my final presentation, task 8 for English 2 from the University UNAD. So let's start. My name is Stephanie Conde Salazar, my school is Exedu, and I'm studying a bachelor's degree in foreign languages. First, my personal information. So, I'm Stephanie Conde Salazar, I'm from Bogota. I'm 22 years old, I'm an elementary teacher, and I live in Chaparral, Tolima. How is the place where I live? So, Chaparral is a municipality not too vast. It is divided into zones, one rural, another urban. So, the rural district is distinguished for being large. There you can find crops of coffee, corn, cacao, banana, among of other food stuff. Also, other activity that is related here is the stock breeding. The other part, the urban, is not too crowded, and it has administrative centers, parks, markets, trades, schools, universities, and recreational clubs. Its weather is mild in the rural zone and too warm in the town. It usually rains. My personality. I consider myself a kind person. I like to smile and enjoy life. What are my hobbies? Okay, when I'm in holidays, for example, I like traveling and doing exercise. But when I have to work, on weekends sometimes I have to work too. But I prefer to study or stay at home or do my chores or watch movies. Mention some of your qualities, okay? My positive qualities are my communicative skills. I have a great sense of humor. I enjoy talking with people. But my negative qualities are my attention and concentration. And sometimes I tend to be a little disorganized. What are my routines and weekend plans? So, sometimes I work, but generally I spend time with my family and friends. We go to the cinema, restaurants, parks. If not, we stay at home. What is my daily routine? So, I wake up at 5 o'clock. I get up at 5:15. I take a shower. I have breakfast. I go to my job. I work from 7 to 4 p.m. or less. I go back home. I make a meal. I organize my room. I connect to classes, I have dinner, and then I rest. What do you usually on weekends? Okay. On weekends, I prefer to stay at home. A significant person in my life, my mother. So, what is my mother's personal info? She is blind, Miss Salazar Peña. She is 53 years old, and she is a teacher too. What is her physical appearance? So, she is small, tall, and gorgeous. She has brown eyes and brunette, straight hair. Her skin is smooth and has freckles. She has big lips and a turned-up nose. Describe her personality. So my mother is a very kind person. She helps people and gives excellent advice. But sometimes she is a little disorganized too. Some experiences. So one of my great experiences was when I traveled to Manizales. The place is charming and I really enjoy the landscape. But the other experience that made me feel really sad was when my good mother died because of cancer. Dreams and future plans. So, my future plans, I will finish my degree soon. I will study more another degrees. I want to have my own shop. I will travel abroad. I will know the sea. And some plans after graduation. I'm going to study another degree. I'm going to have a better job. I'm going to save money to travel. I'm going to save money to buy my own house, and I'm going to save money to pay my debts. Thank you so much for your attention.